Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video for you today. I am using the Candy Cane Christmas kit. This is for the Erin Condren. This will last me at least a couple of weeks in the style of planner that I use, which is an A5. I'm also just using some washi from my stash. If you want to get a hold of this kit, you can do over at Fab Planner Print. I will leave the code as well for me if you want to get a bit of a discount, which is 10 Sarah. And I'll also leave a link to the shop and a link to the Candy Cane Christmas kit below in the description. So to begin with, I've just laid on some washi from my stash along the spine and the edge, and now I'm using the header stickers that are like washi style for the top and the bottom, and to make them fit I just do a little bit of clever trimming here and there so that they fit nicely there. So I'll just trim a little piece off one side here, and then I'll just add it onto the other like so, and I do the same at the top. I just add on that extra piece there, and then once I've completely finished I will just trim around the edge and punch out the holes where the washi has covered them back up again. So I'm just adding the days of the week over the top of the ones that came on my printables, which if you're interested are by Annie Plans Printables. I'll link them as well. I'm now going to add in my ombre boxes. This is for my to-do list for each day of the week. And then I also add an extra one, which is just for my cleaning schedule, which I'll add down the side afterwards. I'm now adding in these thin boxes here. This is just so I can put in my fiance's working hours, so I can keep track of when he's at work and when he's off, and plan our meals and things like that around that. And talking of meals, this is my meal plan that I've just added down the side there as well. I've added in a little planner functional sticker there because that's when I will be doing most of my planner videos over the weekend. And at the top I've just got an important there, that's to remind me about the sale which is going on as we speak. That's the Black Friday sale over at Fab Planner Print, where you can get 25% off. If you head on over to Facebook or Instagram for Fab Planner Print, you can find out the code there. I'm just adding some deco stickers here as well, and I'm just adding in my little bin day reminder sticker there too. And this is all the stuff I still have left. I've got all the heart checklists to do a whole extra week, so just adding that back in there, and that's me done. I just slow it down here so you can have a bit of a close-up of the finished week before the pen, and that's that. So thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already and you'd like to see some more Plan With Me videos from me. I also do scrapbooking and mixed media, so please do check them out. Have a great weekend everyone. Bye.